So in this video, I'll be building out a whole AI automation system handling the whole lead flow charts. So how it goes is when they fill out the form, it will extract that information, it will see if they're qualified. If they're qualified, it will add them to the Google Calendar to book a call through Google Meet, and then it will also run a pre-brief call alongside a follow-up and some other details. I've recorded it all, I've added the hours, but I've simplified it for you guys to have a check and copy for yourself, run along, get some notes, and then write things down if you wish. But I'll get straight into the video and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so what has basically happened so far is that I've created this automation, though it was for Airtable, but I really wanted to push towards Google Sheets. So what I'm going to do is just restart the whole thing with the Google Sheets, and I'm just going to record as I go on with the automation. What I've basically done so far is I've generated a prompt so that AI can really, ChatGPT can build out the whole new automation, and I told it to choose an automation in demand, and it's a whole lead flow system. And that lead flow system looks a bit like this. So it connects to Zoom if the lead is qualified, as we can see. I believe it's step 4. Yeah. Currently invite automatically, generate an AI pre-call brief, proposal generation, follow-up automation. So it's just a whole lead flow automation. So what I want to do is I want to restart it using Google Sheets. So what I'm going to say is restart everything using Google Sheets instead. Okay, perfect. Let's start. Yeah, and an account, Google Workspace, Google Sheets, Calendly account, OpenAI account, Stripe account, DocuSign in Twilio. So for Twilio, we can just use Gmail to send the follow-ups, or WhatsApp Business. We'll just use Gmail in this case. Stripe account, yes, payments. AI brief, scoring proposals, cool. Step 1, prepare Google Sheets. Okay, so we'll get into the Google Sheets. Yeah, okay, so we have the Google Sheets ready, and we'll just set it up in Google Sheets using this: name, email, phone, lead source, status, qualified. So name, email, phone, lead source, status, lead source, status, okay, status, qualified. Score, status, okay, qualified, status, qualified, and then here is score. Like that, and pre-call brief, we just kept that, pre-call brief, proposal link, and then meeting date. Proposal link, meeting date. I already have meeting date. So with your Google Sheets, just create a new Google Sheets Leadflow lead sheet and just add all of these columns here: name, email, phone, lead source, status, qualified source, score, pre-call brief, proposal link, meeting date. Now, status, track where the lead is in the pipeline, start with new. Qualified, leave blank, automation fills it. Score, leave blank, AI fills it. Pre-call brief, proposal link, meeting date, leave blank, automation fills later. Key ID, the lead never sees or enters status, qualified, or score, all at automatic. So step 2, this is where the automation starts. Open and add and create a new workflow. Name it AI sales automation. We have that. Add a trigger note depending on how you collect your leads. Type form, Google Form Messenger in this case. We're just going to be using the local NAN form. Okay. Store lead date in Google Sheet. Okay. I'm going to create a local NAN form instead of type for step 2. What inputs do I need to add for the lead to fill out? Perfect. Lead form inputs full name. Okay. Let's do this. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna restart like this. So what we want to do, add a NAM form. It's one of the local forms like this. And name it I'm going to name it extract leads, name it however you want. Form description, extract information from the user's form input. Like that. Now, add form element. What do we want first? We want their full name. Let's just do placeholder Sam Altman, required field, email, placeholder sam@openai.com, sam@openai.com. We want the phone number, full name, phone number. Yeah, let's just do phone number like that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that. Required field, add form element. The next one is going to be the company name. Placeholder open AI, like that. Required field. We also want, how did you find us? Okay. How did you find us? This will be a so we can drop down. Let's just drop down. Option Instagram. Sorry for my spelling. We can also add YouTube. We can add, and we'll just add TikTok or Facebook. We'll add Facebook. It's Facebook, like that. That's required. Or wait up. What would also be good is other, like that. Another form element. That'll be what service / product are you interested in? Let's copy and paste that. Text. Let's do web design. Since it's a service-based business, we'll just do what service are you interested in, like that. And then last but not least, additional notes. Okay. Anything we need to know, we'll do, for example, anything else can we do long text? Okay. Cool. We got that. Important tips. Keep it short and simple. Few fields, more leads complete. Do not include status. Okay. Cool. Wait up. No, what we want to do is we want to add it to the Google Sheets. Add Google Sheets note, pen row. What's this? What am I doing? What's happening here? Okay. Now you want Google Sheets. And what we want is we just want to add a new row in the sheet. We'll choose the Leadflow lead sheet. We'll do sheet 1 like this. Execute previous nodes. We'll do Zayden 1 stole. We'll do example gmail.com. Or I will just put in my normal email, zevonstole@gmail.com. Yeah, gmail.com. For the phone number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Instagram, design, and nope. Yep. Okay. Form submitted. Now the response has been recorded. What we'll do now we'll append that information into a new row in the Google Sheets we created. So full name, take that there, email, phone number, that, okay. Map form fields, name, email, phone, lead source, lead. Wait, store lead data in Google Sheets, yeah. Okay, status will lead source. Do we have the lead source? Yeah, okay. Lead source. Oopsies. We'll do this. How did you find us for the lead source? Status, set manually to new. We'll just add new. And then just leave other columns blank for now. Test, check your Google Sheets. Okay, so let's do this. We'll execute workflow. I'm just going to fill this form out real quick. And now it should append to the row in the Google Sheets. Boom, right there. Name, zvonstall, email, zvonstall@gmail.com, fake phone number, 0423, wait, 12345678. Instagram, new, great. And then these will be added on later on. So even just a small automation like that, where how it goes is once a form is filled out by your lead, it can automatically be sent to a Google Sheets and saved in a Google Sheets file. Though we're not doing one that small, we're gonna keep going on. And next is step 4, AI lead qualification. We'll let AI score leads automatically. Add an open AI node. Okay. So open AI, what we'll do is messenger model from, we'll use GPT-5. I believe GPT-5 is a bit slower, though we'll just give it a try. What we want is prompt example. Score this lead from 0, yeah. Score this lead from 0 to 100 for likelihood to become a client, lead info, lead source. Okay, perfect. We'll just, that's the prompt. Messenger model. Add Google Sheets node, update row. Update the same row with score. Okay, add a Google Sheets node. So we'll just do add a Google Sheets. So it's basically just a filter. Update row. So is there append or update row sheet. We'll just do operation, update, sheet 1. And what we'll do is just score. Score. AI Apple qualified, yes, score. Okay. So we'll just execute the previous nodes. Hopefully this works. Hopefully it goes through right. Yes, it's gone through. Okay, great. That's gone great, honestly. Now what we want to do is take this, drag it into here. So what we want is we want the score. Score is what up? Role content. Maybe it's content. Maybe the score is content. But why would it add a random score? Like, what information does it actually have? So obviously, maybe AI is messing up here, but we'll go along with it. Score. Let's just do content here. Add that. Now, if the score is above 70, no. If the score is above 70, no. Status qualified. Or also, wait, but how do I make that? I don't know. I'll keep continuing. Test. Okay. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna see if it updates with that content. So we'll just execute workflow again. Bro, really? I need to fill it out again. Okay, I'm gonna fill out this form. Okay, the form's gone through. Appending row and sheet. Boom. Done. Right there. Another row. Message a model. So it's just gonna filter that row that it's sent through. Basically check if it's qualified. And now, okay. Problem in node, update row in sheet. What happened? The column match on parameter is required. The column match on parameter is required. In Google Sheets, the input fields of this are usually an ID. Let's just do status. Basically choosing status. In your node settings under the column section, look for column to match on or matching columns option. You need to select at least one column. For example, do I want to update row or do I want to create a new sheet? Create append new row or update an existing one. Yes. Maybe that's it. Okay. No. Okay, form has been submitted. And let's just see if everything works well, as we expect. Filtering the information that it's extracted from the form, and we're just gonna wait. Please. Oh my goodness, wow. It didn't go through. Problem in node, append or update row and sheet. The column to match on operator is required. Bro, what? Wait up. Update or append or update row, bro. Basically, I'm doing this. Lead score 18 hour. YouTube is typically, now it says YouTube is typically lower. Problem in node, append or update row and sheet. The column to match on parameter is required. Bro, where's the column to match on parameter is required? Okay. The column to use when matching rows. The column to use when matching. Usually an ID. Bro, wait up. The column to use when matching rows in Google Sheets to the import. Okay. Value system. Status. Oh, wait up. Yeah, status, we want this. Let's just execute. Response is being recorded. Appending row to the sheet. Boom. We have another row. Messaging a model. So what it's basically doing is just filtering out that lead. This lead right here. And hopefully, okay, please work. Oh my goodness, no way. If we check, oh wow, it's actually done it. Score 34 out of 100. Why? Lead source Facebook depends. Okay, we have the score. Perfect. That's great. That's honestly great. Now, we want that if statement. Now, okay. If qualified. Now I'm gonna add the if statement. If you're not familiar code, if you're not familiar with code, the if statement is basically if such and such is this or greater than this, then do this. If such and such isn't, then I want you to do this. It's kind of like a road, like that basically. Now, what we want is if is equal to is not empty, does not start with, does not start with, ends if it ends with, does not start with, if it matches regex. If is greater than, okay, there we go. If score is greater than, what do we want? Greater than 70. Bro, what's with this? What's happened here? What? Wait up. Hold up. If, yeah, that's score. If 30. What happens if we... No, it's just gonna stay. Okay. So we'll just leave that. It's green. It's great. Cool. Now, if that's greater than 70... Yes, if score is greater than 70. If okay. Now or JSON.score okay. It will automatically do the else if it's under 70, blah 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 blah. So, or can we do, or let's just do if. Wait. No, I just want to leave that. So, can we? Yeah. We don't need this. It's greater than 70. Then what I want you to do, that's true. Then we will true. We'll go to Google Sheets and we'll update from sheet 1. Column to match on. We want to do qualified. If they're qualified, yes. Otherwise, we'll just name this qualified question mark, like that. Though if they're not qualified, we'll do Google Sheets again, like this. Append or update row and sheet. We want the same sheet, Leadflow sheet. We want sheet 1, that columns match on. We want the qualified and qualified no. Boom, something like that. It's just that. Execute workflow. So this is just the whole filtering, if they're qualified or not. So I'm just going to fill this out real quick. Form has been submitted, appending row and sheet. So now it has added it to the sheet down here. Messenger model. So it's basically just filtering what has been added into the sheet. Hopefully everything goes well and smooth. I'm more focusing on this if statement if it works. Append or update row and sheet. Yes. Okay. So it was if. Wrong type score, 35 out of 100. Why? Lead source is YouTube. Generally lower intent awareness stage. Email phone provided good, but phone format looks unusually reducing reachability. First of all, Gmail 5. B2C, weaker signal for B2B. Company, no. Okay. Can we simplify it? Why is content so much? Only provide the score, nothing else. Don't explain why the score is a sum. Why this score is a score, if that makes sense. For example, output 30 100. Okay, maybe that will work. Let's see. Really just trying and testing. Execute step. Let's see. Come on. Yes. Now if we go in here, content 38. Okay, perfect. It's coming together. Execute previous notes. Come on. If this works, bro. Oh wow. Oh no. Wait up. Hold up. Maybe if we choose status. Let's try status. If the status. Bro, why is this? If it's greater than. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it needs a string. Maybe it needs to be a string. Because then. Oh. Is a string. Okay. So how. Can we do this and send it as a number and output it as a number, not a string? Execute step. We have that. It's looking promising. Let's execute previous nodes. Yeah, wait up, hold up. Bro, wait up, hold up. If JSON.score is greater than, it's not. Convert types when required. Let's execute. No. How can I transfer it into a string? Edit fields. Probably a more simple way to add this. We want the content and we want this to be a number. Message of content. Okay, let's see if this works. We can just drag this over here. This execute workflow. Oh, whoopsies. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly complete this form. Form has been submitted. It's going through. Depending where you're in sheet, we have it here, down here. Filtering score number. Okay, it worked. It actually worked. We actually got it working. That's honestly legit. Okay, the score was 0. But we'll just try that again. See, content 0. If it does 0 again, something's wrong. If it's not, then that code is going well. So we'll do another form. messenger model. So it's just gonna filter. It's gone through. Now, if it's 0, something's wrong. Yep, it's 0. Okay, so it would be the score number. Message.content number equals 0. What we want is, we'll probably just add the content again, because basically what we're doing is just transferring that into a number. So now if we execute this, oh my goodness sake. Wait, message.content expects a number. What we got 42. I see exactly what's happening. This is a common beginner trap in when converting AI outputs to numbers. Why you're getting 0 message.content from OpenAI node is a string that usually contains more than just a number. Example, AI output 85 good or 85/n bad or score. Yep. How to fix. You need to extract the number from the AI output before converting to a number. Using set node plus regex. Add a set node after OpenAI node. Yes. Create a new field. Score number. Create a new field. Score underscore number. Score underscore number. Wait up, maybe that's it. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, score number expects a number, but we got 42 out of 100. Maybe I can. Okay. I'm gonna create an AI agent. I'm going to create an AI agent for me to do this for me. Okay, so prompt chat input. Wait up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Define below. Prompt. I need you to transfer this into a number, not a string. I repeat, not a string. Not a string. I want to get it clear. Chat model. We'll add OpenAI. GPT. Let's do maximum, even though it's slow. Oh, maybe we should have done. No, let's just leave it at that. We don't need. Wait up. Let's add the buffer memory. Simple memory. Memory. No. Wait up. Hold up. No. Let's just leave that. Honestly. Okay. Let's pass this. Come on. Hopefully it works. We're just simply basically transferring the string into a number. That's all we want. No, we want this to go. It's loading, it's going through. Wait up. That's successfully executed. Let's see what the result was. Output 0.36. Let's go. Let's keep going. That's gone. That's gone through. Now what about the if? Okay. Still execute. No, it's, oh, now you go. Wait up. Hold up. So where did it go? It went false. Okay, let's do the whole workflow. I'm gonna enter in form. Form has been submitted. It is appending row to sheet. It has appended that row to sheet right here. and it's just going to filter what has been entered into the sheet. Just hope it's gone through. It has gone through. It's worked. It's worked, hasn't it? Oh my goodness, no way. Wait up. We have it here. New. Alright. So it's gone through. We have gotten close to it. Though this is just a preparation really just to filter out our leads from the form. Basically just filtering out all the leads from the form, our NAM form. We have the score. And really what's next to move on is the, let me check. It's all the way up the top, isn't it? Okay, here we go. Lead qualification, yep. Now next is step 5, automatically book Google Meet via Calendly. So that's for the leads that are qualified, we're simply just gonna book a call with them. So how it basically went is that we added that NAM local form sheet, and then to see if the leads are qualified, we filtered it. And then add that into a Google Sheets list. The next is to actually add those qualified leads onto a call, and they'll be run through the Google Meets. So I'll be adding that in a whole another YouTube video, just because this YouTube video would have gone on too long with the whole automation. So I'll see you in that next video of the automation.